Magandang hapon po ng Wednesday, May 13, 2026 at ito po ang mga resulta ng 5 p.m. draw result ng 2D Lotto at 3D Lotto. 2D Lotto 5 p.m. draw result ngayong hapon ng Wednesday, May 13, 2026. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na number ang lumabasan para sa 2D Lotto 5 p.m. 3D Lotto 5 p.m. draw result ngayong hapon ng May 13, 2026 Wednesday. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na numeral na lumabasan para sa 3D Lotto 5 p.m. 'See you again later for 9 p.m. The result of Grand Lotto 655, Mega Lotto 645, 4D Lotto, 3D Lotto, and 2D Lotto. For Wednesday, May 13, 2026. Here are the today's jackpot estimates of Grand Lotto 655 and Mega Lotto 645 for May 13, 2026, Wednesday. Thank you for watching this 5 p.m. video for Wednesday, May 13, 2026. Don't forget to subscribe and hit notification bell for more lotto result update.